Here, these are the coal layers and these are the shale layers. And in these coal layers, the remnants of rainforest elements are preserved. And from that remnants, we have extracted this kind of pollen actually, this kind of pollen. And from this pollen, we have interpreted that during this Paleocene, early Eocene time, this kind of rainforest or forest elements were there.
দিনের পর দিন বাড়ছে তাপমাত্রা। বিভিন্ন পেট্রোলিয়াম, খনিজ দাহ্য পদার্থ পোড়ানোর ফলে পরিবেশে বাড়ছে ক্ষতিকর পদার্থের পরিমাণ। ধীরে ধীরে কমছে কয়লা সহ একাধিক খনিজ উপাদান। স্বাভাবিকভাবে বিজ্ঞানীদের একাংশ মনে করছেন আগামীতে ধ্বংসের মুখে পড়তে পারে পৃথিবী। কার্যত সেই ভাবনা নস্যাৎ করেছে আইআইটি খড়গপুরের গবেষকেরা। কয়েক বছরের গবেষণায় উঠে এসেছে চাঞ্চল্যকর তথ্য।
The tropical rainforests are considered as the lungs of the planet because it essentially controls the carbon dioxide of our planet, and therefore its existence is very important to mankind. But as you know that because of the global warming, the increasing fossil fuel CO2, as the temperature is increasing, scientists are increasingly worried about the future of these tropical rainforests, like the rainforest of the Amazon, rainforest of the Western Ghats, because one group of scientists believe that as the temperature increases, it might one day come when the photosynthesis of these plants might stop and therefore they might eventually perish. On the other hand, there is an equally strong group of scientists who believe that no, that may not be true because plants have their adaptive capabilities and therefore on the long term they might be able to adapt with these climate change.
খড়গপুর আইআইটি, কলকাতা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় এবং ওয়েস্টার্ন অন্টারিও বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের বৈজ্ঞানিকদের একটি দল ৫৬ কোটি বছর আগে গুজরাটের বস্তান কয়লা খনির তলদেশের বর্ষা বন নিয়ে গবেষণা করেছেন।
About 56 million years before, there was a time on this planet which is called Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum, when the global carbon dioxide increased more than 1000 ppmv. Just for reference, I must tell you that today's in 2024, the carbon dioxide concentration is 421 ppmv. So obviously the numbers tell you that the carbon dioxide concentration during the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum, which geologists call as a super greenhouse Earth, was nearly 3 times than today. We went to the Bhastan area where these tropical rainforests are preserved in the form of the coal layers. These coal layers were formed at a time when India was in the tropics, surrounded by ocean. Himalayas did not form then. And then these rainforests were growing aplenty around this period. What we did, we first went and confirmed the age of these coal layers, which is 56 million years old. And then layer by layer, we collected various forest elements from these coal layers. Like we got the wood logs, we got the pollens, and many scientists across the globe who are specialized in ancient vertebrate fossils, they have also collected large number of mammals and insects from this rainforest. And clearly from all these data fossils, it shows that once upon a time, 56 million years before present, it was a prolific rainforest. What we found very surprisingly, that when the carbon dioxide was slowly increasing, the land temperature increased so much that the land temperature was more than 40 degrees centigrade. But then surprisingly later on, the temperature came down. And for that, we tried to study the rainfall pattern by analyzing oxygen and hydrogen isotopes of what you call certain minerals and the oxygen isotopes in some of the mammal fossil teeth. And that tells us that as the temperature increased, as the earth warmed up, there was an intense increase of the rainfall. And that is what quite the IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, predicts, that if you have a global warming going on, the extreme events, extreme rainfall, severity of the cyclones will increase. And that is what we also find that during this time, 56 million years back, the rainfall enormously increased. This rainfall brought down the temperature to just like today, almost around 30 degrees centigrade. And because of the huge rain, the rainfall sustains and they did not perish.
গবেষণায় জানা গিয়েছে গুজরাটের বস্তান কয়লা খনিজ স্তর আসলে বর্ষা বনের জীবাশ্মের আস্তরণ মাত্র। এই কয়লার মধ্যে প্রচুর মাত্রায় গাছপালা ও বনের বসবাসকারী স্তন্যপায়ী প্রাণী কীটপতঙ্গের অবশেষ পাওয়া গেছে। গবেষকদের বক্তব্য, বহু প্রাচীনকালে পৃথিবী ভয়াবহ জলবায়ু পরিবর্তনের সম্মুখীন হলেও উদ্ভিদকুল তার নিজেদের পরিবর্তন ঘটিয়েছে।
So Vastan gives us two important lessons. One is that for our future predictions, it is important to look back what kind of experiment this planet Earth had done earlier and how the rainforest responded to this global warming. And then the important thing is, the most important thing I would consider is that in spite of all the doomsdayer statements, it is possible that there is a ray of hope that at least planet as a whole might survive, the rainforest will survive. Whether mankind will survive or not, we really do not know. But certainly the planets will find its way out to circumvent this global warming and might sustain.
আইআইটি খড়গপুরের এই যৌথ গবেষণায় উঠে এসেছে আগামীতে এই রকম পরিবর্তনেও সাধারণ মানুষ কিংবা প্রাণীকুলের ক্ষতি হলেও পৃথিবীর ভারসাম্য হারানোর সম্ভাবনা অনেকটাই কম। পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর থেকে রঞ্জন চন্দ্রের রিপোর্ট, লোকাল 18 বাংলা।